Hello, I am Anusha and I'm very glad to be attending the 1M1B Impact Summit 2025 to be held at United Nations Geneva, Switzerland. Our key focus this year is on water and ocean health, one of the major problems our planet faces today.
Clean ocean, happy earth, keep the sea plastic free. The ocean is our life ocean. Save the ocean blue for me and you. Please you protect the ocean too.
A drop of care can save the oceans we share.
Let our oceans preserve our future.
When we talk about water, we're really talking about our shared future. Ensuring clean water and healthy oceans isn't just an environmental goal. It's a promise to future generations that life on Earth will continue to thrive.